everyone, welcome back to our third episode of the Spring into Action series. If you haven't tuned into one of our episodes yet, we are an organization bringing all of you fun and creative experiments during these difficult times. To start, I'm Grace.
I'm Timothy.
I'm Brandon.
And I'm Andre.
In today's session, you can learn how to make a bouncy egg and a complete lava lamp. Feel free to pause and resume the video during the experiment instructions.
So, is everyone excited to learn about our first experiment?
Oh,
God.
Well, anyways, this first experiment is what is known as the bouncy egg. All you'll need to start is vinegar, a raw egg, and a clear container for both of those ingredients. Keep in mind that this experiment will go through the course of multiple days, but it's still very simple and cool.
Alright, so first off we're going to grab our raw egg and we're going to put it in a small container of vinegar for about 24 hours. Try to fill the container with as much vinegar as possible.
After those 24 hours, check in on your egg and hopefully the shell of the egg should be gone. But if not, no worries, leave the egg in for another day.
Hey wait, while we wait, I got a quick question. How do you make an egg bouncier?
Well, you obviously add spring water.
Yay!
Yeah. Well, anyways, the results will be shocking. The egg becomes bouncy because the vinegar broke down the calcium carbonate shell which produced the carbon dioxide molecules. With the shell gone and the egg containing a semi-permeable membrane, molecules were able to pass through the process of osmosis to raw molecules moved from an area lost to high.
Timmy, calm down. No one's going to understand any of that.
Oh, oops.
Well, okay, to put it more simply, the egg is made of a shell which contains something called calcium carbonate. Vinegar is able to break down the shell, and it's now certain that water can pass in and out of the egg. Now, yes, osmosis is involved, but all you would need to know is water naturally wants to go into the egg, or in other cases, where the other molecules other than water want to go.
Okay, and with all of that said, you can see that inside the vinegar, the egg grew over time. And with more liquid in the egg, it's now like a bouncy ball.
That's right. We hope you enjoyed this springy experiment. Now on to making some cool lava lamps.
The last experiment we are showing today is building a lava lamp. This is a cool experiment that needs a plastic bottle, some vegetable oil, baking soda, 1 cup of vinegar, some food coloring, and a funnel. The funnel is optional, but it definitely helps.
First, grab your bottle and a funnel if you have one nearby. And we're going to place some baking soda into the bottle.
Use the funnel once more to fill the rest of the bottle with oil. Try to leave just a little bit of space on top of the bottle.
Now with that out of the way, you're going to want to take a small amount of vinegar and place it into the bottle with your funnel. You'll start to notice some bubbles forming at the top, and watch your lava lamp come to life.
To look at this experiment, we have to look at something known as the pH scale. And a bunch of scientists use this pH scale to determine, well, a bunch of stuff. It can honestly be pretty confusing sometimes.
But the most important thing of a pH scale is how much hydrogen ion something has.
Yep, the scale reads from 1 to 14, 1 being extremely acidic and 14 being very basic. And so, the bases with high numbers on the pH scale have little to barely any hydrogen ions, and acids, being the low numbers on the pH scales, have more hydrogen ions.
Don't worry if this doesn't make sense to you, because it barely does to me anyways, but in short, we are mixing the two ends of the pH together and we get an imploded chemical reaction that forms the bubbles that you can see.
Which helped to bring your lava lamp to life thanks to science!
Wonderful. With all that said, this episode is coming to an end unfortunately. But we are able to create a bouncy egg and a complete lava lamp.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode, and stay tuned for more episodes every week.
We hope that all of you enjoyed these extra fun experiments and have an excellent week. Bye!
Bye!
Bye.